This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your screen sleep time in Kali Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your screen sleep time in Kali Linux, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to my little Applications button. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings and place my cursor over Settings. Then I'm going to go straight off to the right side here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the Settings Manager. Now in the little dialog box that opens here, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Hardware section, and in the Hardware section, right here is Power Management. You want to click on Power Management. Then you're presented with a few tabs across the top up here. General, System, Display, Security, Devices. You want to click on the one that says Display. Then you have two more tabs here, On Battery or Plugged In. I happen to be using a desktop PC right now, so the on battery doesn't even really apply to me, but if you're on a laptop, you might want to do both of these, on battery and plugged in. On battery, you have three options: blank after, put to sleep after, switch off after. Say that you wanted your screen to go blank after 5 minutes. You would set it to 5 minutes. If you wanted it on never, you would move this slider all the way back to never. If you wanted to put it to sleep after, say, 10 minutes, that you wanted your screen to go to sleep, you would move this to 10 minutes. If you wanted your screen to switch off after, say, 15 minutes, you would move this tab to 15 minutes. Then I would have to move the sleep back to 10 minutes. But if you didn't want it to go to sleep at all, you would just move the tab all the way to the left, the slider all the way to the left, and now it says never, never, never. Now you have to do the same thing plugged in. Click on the plugged in tab. Then you're presented with the same three options: blank after, put to sleep after, switch off after. I have all of mine set to never, but you could just move these sliders to whatever you wanted. That is how to adjust your screen sleep time in Kali Linux. Thanks for watching.